Good afternoon, everyone. So today we're at a Toyota. a Toyota. Can hardly say it. Toyota Corolla Verso. This is a 2008, and customer's complaint is it requires a starter motor. So we'll crank it over, and this is the sound of a bad starter motor. I'm flipping it, it's not any bother. Right, try it again, my man. Oh, that's it. Aye, intermittent. So, oh dear already. So what was happening here, this bit, this is a new one by the way. This bit's going, that's engaging in it. But it's no pushing the starter motor into the flywheel, that's the problem with that, eh? Aye, that's it. The armature will be away or whatever it is. That's right, so this bit will just be spinning. And it'll not be pushing it in to engage with the flywheel, so it's getting changed. So here's a new one. So it's only 2 bolts. There's electrical connection there, and the small electrical connection there. So let's go and have a dookie dandy, as they say. So looking under here, I think it's under this black shield under there. So I'm sure it's at the back. Sandy cannot see today. There it's above the oil filter. So there's the first bolt there, 13mm, and then I'll get the other 1 foot up the top. Aye, that's it. Well, when last was that oil filter changed? Oh my goodness. And there's something rotten as well. See, we've removed these bolts at the bottom there. 14mm. Take that little tab off, and then that's a 12mm for the electrical connection, and then another bolt comes for the other side. So that one's done the business, that starter motor, 100,000 miles. So we'll get that. Oh, look at this! Sweeties a day, boys! Oh, the temptation's terrible. No. The only thing about this job is, you do this 1 bolt for this side here. I'll try and point it out. It goes in there. So that 14 bolt goes in for that side, and the other one comes in for the other side, like I showed you. So, right, Roddy, crank it over, my man. Take the sweeties out your mouth. There's not a pun to this man hanging the right way either. Oh dear, the whole 9 stone. Right, lad. Oh, the battery's not connected. Oh, for flip's sake, some garages. And there we go, try that. Oh, that sounds better. Perfect, we'll call that a fix.